Hello, welcome back to Crazy Cool Crochet, and what I want to show you really quick here is an alternative to the slipknot. This is actually what I consider a lot easier, a lot faster. This is how my grandma taught me more years ago than I will care to admit publicly. But let me show you a regular slipknot first, and it's not that difficult, but it takes a little bit longer. So you take your yarn, fold it over onto itself, take the front strand, put it through the loop, and then you pull on the yarn, and then you insert your hook. And there you go. There's your slipknot. Now, this is what 99% of crocheters use to start when they start crocheting. Now, the way my grandmother taught me was like this. Boom. You're done. That's it. Okay, let me show you slowly. Just take your hook, put it in front of the yarn, and then you just twist it. Now, if you do your first chain, you're going to see you've got a perfect knot, which to me is a lot faster and a lot easier than a slip knot. Okay, so I'm going to do the slip knot again at my normal speed. And there's your knot. Okay, now doing it my grandma's way. There you go. And there's your knot. Now you may notice on almost all of my other videos, I always start like that, and then I remember it's like, oh wait, everybody else does it with a slip knot, so I better stick to the usual. And then I go through all that rigmarole. But instinctively, I just go, boom, done. There's your knot. So hopefully this helps somebody out there who wants to maybe learn a new little trick. There you go. You're welcome.